Okay, welcome back to my channel. It's September 30th, and I guess it's a day before the um, government shutdown is supposed to happen, which is not going to happen, by the way. And even if it does, it's going to be temporary. So there's a couple of things I want to talk about. My background is in finance. My background is in the futures market, the commodity market, the currency markets, and it's something that I have not been involved with since I want to say around 1999, 2000, 2001. But I do hear a lot about it, and I feel I have to comment. I mean, the Dow is at 33,500. The Dow's not crashing. It has not crashed. Interest rates have risen dramatically from negative 1% to 5% right now on the 10-year note. And meanwhile, the stock market has not budged. Mainly that's because the majority owner of the stock market are US mutual funds, and they hedge. They don't have to sell. They sell options. There's so many hedging strategies that they perform that the market does not have to go down, doesn't have to go up, and they're still going to make money for their investors. So I think a lot of people don't understand that. But the most important thing I want to talk about right now is the US dollar, because I hear about the US dollar collapsing, I hear about the US dollar crashing, I hear about nobody using the US dollar, and that is so false. That is so false. The collapse of the petrodollar, yeah, again, false. The US dollar index right now, and forgive me for a moment, I just have to yield to my charts, um, is at 106. Now, I entered the currency and commodity business in 1985. And in 1985, the US dollar index was just before the Plaza Accords. The US dollar index was, I'm looking at a chart right now. One moment. January of 1985 was at 136. It collapsed after the Plaza Accord to about the 106 level, 110, 112 level. It's at 106 now. So I've seen it as low as 87. I've seen the euro collapse. I've seen the yen collapse. I've seen the franc collapse. I've seen the Deutschmark disappear. All of this is nonsense. The dollar is not collapsing. The world is not able to get away from the dollar. The U.S. Treasury market is the most liquid market. You can hedge hundreds of millions, tens of millions of dollars immediately. You can't do that anywhere else. So anyone who tells you that the U.S. dollar is collapsing, trying to get your money into an investment that's going to hedge against that, stop yourself. It's not going to happen. Okay. Now, will it happen in the future if there's a world war? I don't know what happens in a world war. I'm only 63. I haven't lived through a world war. I'm about to, but I haven't. So I don't know what's going to happen. I know that the Bretton Woods agreements from 45, 46 are in play. The dollar index has not collapsed. The Plaza Accord is still in vogue. The US dollar has not dropped in value. Is there inflation? Yes. Okay. Is that a fact of the fiat currency market? Yes. Has the US dollar collapsed? No. While US interest rates continue to climb higher, the US dollar becomes more attractive. If you don't understand that, go to my Patreon, pay me, I will discuss this with you. Okay, that's this video. Thank you.